Here I got SHW Vista corner L desk. I bought 2 of them. So what I'm planning is I want to have instead of L shape and connect them together to become like this, so I can have a bigger working area. So in this video, you will find out that what's the unboxing, what's inside, and I'm going to assemble it to see how difficult it is to assemble, and then I will show you how it looks like when I combine 2 together. So let's get started. So we got a menu and we got package of the hardware, pretty clear. We got Allen key. So the menu is pretty clear. I'll show you exactly what you need to do for like totally 9 steps. So for the quality of the leg, this metal is I think it's a solid bar, and this is all the metal tube. I think the welding is alright, especially those metal tube. I think the weld, like I don't see any problem gonna break, but also I don't think that you can sit on this table. You see, if I bend it, I can't bend it at all. It's pretty strong. Alright, first step done. So all the 4 leg pieces assembled and put them aside. So the step 2 is super easy. Just put them all together, line up. And step 3, just find this triangle piece. I will put it that way. So basically you'll notice that there are the screw holes. So just line up. So the step 4 is put a leg on. I made a mistake that they have the 2 sides. One side it should be up, so I put it downside just to make sure that you do it right. So I have to unscrew them all and flip it. All right, it says the E. This set up. I didn't see it carefully. Let's install the leg. So this is step 4. We move to step 5. So find this angle piece and we connect metal to metal using the bigger screw. So this part is on. Let's go for step 6. Another 2 side legs. So these 2 legs are the step 6. Now we go to the step 7 and just install the connection bar. The step 7 is done now, so all the screw is in. And then I'm going to tighten all the screws. So the step 8 is to tighten all the screw. You see that now the screw is tightened. It's pretty rigid, I think. And let's go for the step 9, which is the final step. Just to turn it over. It says at least 2%, but I think I should be alright. So this is how this table looks. And because the floor is not that level, so I'm going to level the feet. You just can turn. It is pretty easy to adjust the leg height. You see that now is stable. And there are lots of leg room. You see the chair can totally push in. And I think the table is like perfect because, you know, when you set up computer, probably in the middle or somewhere, you can writing on the side. And this side you can put some like printers on here or other documents. But I got another one. I'm going to assemble another one and let's see how it looks when it totally set up to see if it can meet my requirement. All right, the assembly has been done, and I think overall it's pretty easy, and you can easily get it done by one person. And you only need Allen key to tighten all the screws. I think the table is the good size. You can put your monitor right here, and the working here feels like pretty good. And at the corner, you can put stuff. And here, I combine two tables. I can make like a working center right here. And the good thing about it, it can adjust the height. So the two combined together, you can adjust the light to make them like even surface. Of course, you cannot sit on it, but for daily use, I don't see there's is a problem. So let's talk about the material. So the table surface, of course, it's laminate, but it's not like super reflective. For example, if you're using a lamp on the table, it won't like reflect on your eyes. So it's pretty comfortable to use. You see, it's pretty dark, but it's not black. It's espresso. And I think this color is good on most of the home setup, like my studio. I got white, I got gray, I got wood color, and this is just blended in. So I think this is overall pretty good stuff, and I think it's pretty affordable. I think if you are going to set up like workstation, you can consider like utilize the corner of your room, or just like me, make a super big working area. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.